So welcome to this guided meditation with visualizations to relieve stress. So I want you to go ahead and just find a chair, or may you sit on the floor and just start by taking in some deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And really take your time to take some fully deep breaths in. And now as you exhale, gently close the eyes. Feel the eyelids becoming heavier. You can start by doing a quick body scan, so let go of any tension in your neck and in your shoulders, or wherever you might notice any tension going on. Now I want you to imagine that you're in a forest, walking around with sunshine on the sky, and you're just with yourself, going for a walk, and on this walk you're breathing for every step you're taking. So for every 4 steps you're taking, you're breathing in for 4, then hold for 4, and then breathe out for 4. So breathing in as you're taking 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue walking in this forest as you keep breathing this way. And now on your walk, you see a house, and you start walking towards the house. It's your own house. And as you enter the house, you see a nice chair where you can sit comfortably and just rest. Rest your mind and your body. Letting go of any tension. And you can hear the birds singing outside of your house in the forest. And you just have this sense of peace within. You're feeling the warmth from the fireplace in your house. And you're really just appreciating this moment of just being. And now gently start moving your fingers. Move your hands and arms. Maybe do some shoulder rolls. And gently open your eyes. And just take some time to come back to this moment in your own room, where you're sitting right now. And just feel, how do you feel right now? I hope you feel more relaxed and at ease. And I hope you have a wonderful day. This meditation is complete.